ئەوەی کەسایەتیە ئەیبینن وەک ماڵی کورد هاتووە کاکسەتۆ بەردەوام پەیوەندی لەگەڵ یانگرتووە و گەڵەوی گرتن گوتی دەبێ وەڵاممان بدەن. زۆر سپاس.
زۆر سپاس کاک پێشڕەوی عەزیز. دیارە کاک پێشڕەو لەبەر خۆشەویستی زۆر شت بەناوی منی وت، بەڵام من دڵتیاتان ئەەکەمەوە هەموو ئەندامی بەڕێوەبەرایەتی ماڵی کورد ڕۆڵێکی سەرەکیان هەبوو بۆ ئەوەی خۆپشاندان و چالاکی وا سازکەین بۆ مەحکومکردنی ڕژەوی تەرۆریستی ئاخوندی تاران و ئێران. من بە ئیجازەی هەمووتان بە ئینگلیزی پەیامی ماڵی کورد ئەخێنم بۆ ئەوەی پەیامەکەمان بە هەموو زمانەکان بگاتە خەڵکی بە شەرەفی کەنەدا و حکومەتی کەنەدا و پەرلەمانی کەنەدا و هەروەها گەلانی جیاواز ئەم وڵاتە. زۆر سپاس. On behalf of the Greater Toronto Kurdish House, on behalf of the board members, we warmly welcome each and every one of you for taking the effort, participating in this honorable activity, the activity to condemn the crimes, the brutality of one of the most barbaric terrorist regime in the modern history. The regime that's facing the defenseless civilian protesters with heavy machine guns and weapons, killing children, women, elderly people with no mercy. We are here to highlight all these crimes and show to Canadian people, Canadian House of Commons and Canadian government that we will not rest, we will not sit silent. We will loud our oppressed people's voice. We make sure their struggle, their uprising is being moved to this field, to this country. We make sure the politicians in this country are hearing our voice, hearing our oppressed people's voice. We will do whatever it takes to highlight the uprising of Iranian people in general and the Kurdish people in Eastern Kurdistan. We make sure every martyrs fell in this conflict, we will be heard, his voice will be heard here. We will make sure the Iranian terrorist regime will pay the heavy price for their crimes. This revolution will not stop until the end of this barbaric regime. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of all the Kurdish community and Kurdish House, we would like to thank and appreciate everyone that participating, especially the non-Kurd and the non-Iranian people here, showing their solidarity with us, standing by us. The representative of Jewish community, Vivian Zeiner, a good friend of our community, she always shows support and backup to our people, to our cause. There are so many government officials and MPs will participate in this evening's activity by their messages and their personal appearances. The Greater Toronto Kurdish House vow, I promise all of you, we will continue this activity until our people are victory in back home, until our Iranian people are free, until Eastern Kurdistan is free. Today or last night, the city of Shino got free. Harbiji Shino. The Iranian government got defeated in Shino. And I heard latest news, Zaradest almost becoming free. Let's all cheer for Zaradesti people. Let's tell them we are with you. Today, tomorrow, and whatever it takes. We will not stop until our people are revenging for Gina Amini's blood, until revenging for every blood that fell in this uprising. The Iranian mullahs must come to justice, must be brought to justice, and must pay for their crimes. We will do whatever it takes as Kurdish Canadians, as Iranian Canadians, as Jewish Canadians, as all the nations that supporting our struggle. Not only here in Canada, but all North America, Europe, Australia, and the whole world. This is what we called it, the Kurdish revolutionary in the whole global. We will not rest until the Iranian regime is felt. My message to everyone here, please do not stop struggling for your people. Go to your MPs in your area, write a letter, tell them what's happening in our back home, tell them what's happening in Iran and Eastern Kurdistan, tell them about the brutality of the Mullah regime and how they kill women, children, and elderly people, innocent people that they have nothing to do but asking for their basic human rights and women rights. We will make sure all these voices to be heard by our representatives and be transferred to the Mr. Trudeau's government. Mr. Trudeau also must come to the table and tell us what he will do regarding these crimes that's committed by Iranian regime. They must tell us where they stand in this fight. Are they standing with the people of Iran and people of Kurdistan, or they will stand with the other side, with the criminal side? This is a test. This is a time to tell us where they're standing. In the end, I would like to end my speech with slogans. Jin, Jian, Azadi. Jina, Jian, Azadi. Har biji bar Khuda nagale Kurdistan, har biji bar Khuda nagale Iran. Thank you very much.
Hey, hey, ho, ho, Islamic regime must go. Hey, hey, ho, ho, Islamic regime must go. Hey, hey, ho, ho, ISIS regime must go.